am Tyler Garcia, nationally certified mortgage loan originator and creator of Homeowner Hustle. You're probably asking yourself, what the hell is Homeowner Hustle? Homeowner Hustle is a brand that I've created to help normal home buyers, like normal average Joe people like you and me, understand the really complicated home buying process. For whatever reason, people in the mortgage and real estate industry like to think that it's a super complicated process and that what they do is so complicated that not everybody can understand it. And to be honest, I just honestly don't believe that. I'm a young, 24-year-old man, and it was very easy for even me to understand these very basic concepts. And a lot of people will provide you with misinformation and stuff like that. So I wanted to create a brand that will allow normal people to understand the process as a whole. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. My cell phone number is 719-505-4560, or you can always respond to any of the emails that we send you each month. Every month we'll be sending you blogs, vlogs, different informational pieces that will hopefully help you along the home buying process. We also encourage all of our subscribers to go check out all of our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And you can check those out by checking out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I appreciate you watching the video. I hope some of my content is actually helpful for you. So again, don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for watching, guys.